In this demonstration, we will look at how to open a folder that is saved in OneDrive that has been shared with you. Inside that folder are your ARCBC materials, your textbooks and novels in an accessible format. Navigate to the email that has the folder that's been shared with you and select Open. Your OneDrive will open. You may need to log in with your Microsoft SD71 email and password. Once it is opened, tap the file that you want to open and the three dots and select Open in Browser. Once the file has opened, you can tap on the Upsend Share arrow in the top right-hand corner and select the app that you want to open the file in this case, VoiceStream Reader. I'll go to my three dots and select VoiceStream Reader from my list. Make sure you're using the icon with the stars because that's the school edition. Select VoiceStream Reader and the file will open up in VoiceStream Reader, ready for you to interact with it using text-to-speech and text preferences to interact with the accessible digital material.